CLSK stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. So is CleanSpark stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video, and just genuinely looking at CLSK. I'm looking to double down on this buy like crazy more. So this was I've done, the only person in this space has done 43,000 videos over 5 years, documented everything. So no one else can fake this amount of freaking effort of work put in and actually showing you what's working for me. CLSK specifically, I'm one double break away from buying like crazy. Pre-market is at 13 bucks, which is kind of good, but if it's lots of gaps up here, wouldn't be able to buy, so we just prefer solid break. Now with CLSK, is that I've been just buying CLSK for such a long time. Like, we all began kind of here in 2023, but then mainly like since we got this shift in May, that's where it really first began, this sort of season. Now I'm again sticking to my rules that I've done for 43,000 videos from refined, and here's that long when it was at 8 bucks looking to like 9.30. It's very simple, but that's slow and steady. It's what's been working for me. Now please do your own due diligence, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.